Sometimes the person who fixes your life isn't a doctor, a teacher, or a friend. Sometimes it's the quiet stranger you never paid attention to. There was once a family living in a big house, but inside the house, everything was falling apart. A father who came home angry every night, a mother who cried in silence, and two children who barely spoke to each other. They lived together, but the home felt cold, like four strangers under one roof. Every day, they walked past the small garden outside their house, dry, dead, abandoned, just like their relationships. No one cared for it. No one cared for each other. One morning, they noticed an old man standing in their yard. Thin, quiet, gentle eyes. He carried a small bag of tools. He said softly, "Your garden has potential. If you want, I can take care of it." The family didn't argue, they just nodded. They didn't have energy for anything anymore, so the quiet gardener began his work. Every day, he arrived at sunrise. Slow, steady, patient. He dug the soil, one handful at a time. He trimmed the dead plants. He watered the dry roots gently. He worked without noise, without complaints, without asking for anything, and slowly, the dead garden started to change. A small green leaf appeared, then another. A tiny flower bloomed. The family noticed, but they didn't say anything yet. One day, the father finally asked, "How did you bring this dead place back to life?" The gardener smiled and said, "Plants don't die easily. They only stop growing when no one cares for them. Families are the same." The mother looked at him, surprised. He continued, "You don't fix things with big actions. You fix them by small kindness every day. A little water, a little sunlight, a little patience." He pointed to a once dead flower now blooming brightly. If a flower can come back, so can people. The entire family fell silent. After that day, something changed inside the home. The father apologized to his children. The mother laughed again after a long time. The kids started playing together. They began eating dinner at the same table again, and every evening, they sat outside, watching their garden come back to life as their family did the same. The garden didn't just grow flowers, it grew forgiveness. It grew understanding, it grew love. One morning the gardener didn't show up. The family waited. Days passed, but he never returned. They asked around, but no one knew where he lived. It was almost like he appeared exactly when they needed him, and left when they healed. The father looked at the garden and whispered, "He didn't just teach us how to grow flowers. He taught us how to grow each other." And from that day on, they took care of their garden themselves, every single morning, because sometimes the person who changes your life is the quiet soul you never noticed. If this story touched your heart, tell me in the comments, what is one small thing in your life that still needs care?